Okay, so we're going to try this parabolic antenna out. Oh. Now this drone's kind of haunted, Rich. You got to be careful with this thing. It has these tendencies to wander. Okay. It's a wanderer. What the hell is that? Oh, that must be a train on one side and a barge on the other.
Bridge, he probably is. He got sand.
Now I'm coming back into the sun, so it's going to be a little harder to see now. I got a pretty good shot of that, Ivy. I gotta find my heading here. Okay. Magnificent Zino. Well, I got a little more than 1,000 feet out there, and it never even broke the, it never glitched up once. So that's actually a good sign that these are gonna be okay. I'm gonna go out to Donegal, or yeah, I'll go out there and try them out there. You know, I had it in a sport mode, but I noticed all the time I was flying over there, I was only getting like 9 miles an hour.
In sport mode?
Yeah, in sport mode. I was wondering why the damn thing was going so slow. Usually it's...
Well, that's going about 10 there.
It's 8. So, I don't know what the hell's going on with that, because 8 miles an hour is not that fast. Let me change it to the regular mode and see what that does.
Well, you're going a little faster.
It's the same shit. It's not changing anything. No, it's still 8.9 miles an hour, so it must need some kind of update on something or another. Because that's all I'm getting out of this thing is that 9 miles an hour deal. So, but these antennas seem to be working good. I got 0 breakup in the signal, which usually if I would have went out 1,000 or more feet, I would have got some signal loss.
Hubbard Zino.
The Zino.
Zino.
Yeah, it's the slow Zino. It's going 0.1 miles an hour.
Oh, Zino.
Descending. Oh, Zino.
Maybe it's for slow video.
Well, I don't know what it is. It's just too slow for my liking. But we'll drop her down here. Oh, go get the case, Ivy. Let me kill the video. Yay. There it is, Zino. Now, I didn't go out too far at this place with this thing, but believe me, they did it. They helped, because I would have got that breakup after that 1,000 feet. It would have started acting up a little bit, which it didn't at all. So even when I turned the quadcopter, which, you know, a lot of times when you turn the quadcopter, you lose the signal from the back legs. So sometimes that happens. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.